Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on Android. First, press or hold your screen and click on Wallpaper and Style. Now click on the Change Wallpapers. Here you can either select any wallpaper. Here you can either select the wallpaper on lock screen or home screen or on both screen. Now you need to click on Next and then click on Done. You can also set wallpaper from your phone gallery. You need to open your phone gallery and then open a picture. Now you need to click on three dots in the bottom right corner. Here you can see third last option, Set as a wallpaper. Here you can choose any of the given options. Now set the picture and you need to click on the Done. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.